Right. Hi. Last session we are finished at the substrings. Okay. In the substrings and any strings we are finished. And today we are going to starting in the decode up to decode. Here the decode will act just it's like a values submission. Value submission means how it is going to working means decode. Suppose we have a requirement like mm, based on the marks we are going to giving the destination, right? Is it first class or
Uh,
second class or third class grade you can give it, right? Like that we
yes.
can we use at that time the decode functions and case functions both. The decode is going to working as a if else condition, like if else condition. Okay, right. Now here we can see we have a table, student table is there, right? Now here is the some table S number, it's there. Now what do you want? The result is there. Now I want to give the result status. P means who will understand, they will not understand, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to give the result of this. How we can give now? Suppose whenever P is coming, I need to display the pass. Okay,
Okay.
whenever F is coming, I need to pass fail. Okay. If it is nothing, null is coming. If it is nothing, null is there, no records found. Okay, no
Okay.
records found. Now tell me how we can do this. We can use the decode function here.
Mm.
Okay, now in the decode function level, what we have, S name is there, student marks are result.
Well,
Just I am
mm.
going to S name means student, S name comma result. Result is there, right? Now decode using how it is going to working decode. What is the syntax of the decode? Check now. See this. Okay, this is the syntax.
Mm.
Sir, keep on mind syntax is very important. Okay, if you know
Yes.
the syntax, we can able to use this. What is this? Syntax decode of value comma if condition 1 then and then if condition 2 then 2. Okay, so
Yes.
on else. Now if this value is matched, say simple example I am going to teach decode of, okay, decode of value is, suppose value is P, okay,
Mm.
then
Yeah.
then it is going to
Pass.
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 If value is again F,
Mm-hmm.
okay, if it is then
Fail.
fail. Okay,
Mm.
I'll fail. Okay, and then finally
Else.
else condition, no records found.
Mm.
Okay, fine. Like this it is
Mm.
going to working. Now tell me, what is the value here in this level, select statement level?
P.
What is the value here?
Value is P.
P is condition if value again, see now one more I am going to writing here. Now I am going to writing P or G. Now tell me sir, if I execute, what is the output will come for this? Based on the above syntax, you can tell me the output, what it is coming. Select, okay, decode of this from dual. Now tell me if I execute, what is the output will come. Now can you compare and tell me what is G?
G is the condition. G and P are the condition. Pass is the
No,
value.
1 second. Try to look
Uh,
this and based on that tell me this one.
uh,
Tell me. Now tell me based on, now tell me this. Now here I am going to put in G.
mm.
Okay. Now tell me what is G? What,
G is the value.
G is a value. P is
also the value.
P also if condition 1 condition, that is.
If condition 1. Right.
What is the for that condition? What is the result?
Pass.
Next, second condition.
Second condition. Yeah.
What is the second condition?
Fail. F is the value.
Second condition. Okay. Then result is failure. If these both the conditions are failed, then
no record found.
Else. This is else. Okay. Now, how this condition is going to working? Now, this, what is the value is there? If the value is matching to first condition, then pass. Okay. If this value is matched to the second condition, second condition means this is F. Okay, then fail. If the value is not matched to both the conditions, else. Clear?
Right.
Now, what is the value here? In self statement. Now, if I execute this one, what is the output will come? Tell me, sir. Is it value is matched to first condition?
No, there is no value as G in the student.
Correct. Now, what is?
No record, we have no records found.
Correct. See now, no records found. Fine. Now coming to here. Here I am going to putting the, what we need to put? Result. Column is the result. Now see, if it is P, pass. If it is F, fail. If it is null, no records found. What is the, here we need to give the alias, column alias. Result status.
Result status.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Right. See now? Right. Clear, right? Now, same scenario, how to do using case. Now, what is the case syntax? Case syntax is a case, comma, column, value. Here we can put as a value. Value, okay? When condition 1, condition, then result. Okay, again when condition, again then result. Okay, and then else, and then result, and then end up. So now tell me, sir, how to do it the above scenario using the case select.
Condition.
Yes, name, comma, result, comma, next.
Decode.
Sir, I am telling how to do the above scenario using case. Same, write it case. What is the value? Result. Okay, then when condition, when, what is the condition?
Then when result.
What is the condition? P, sir. P is the condition, right? The above. Look at the decode. Then what we need to print?
Pass.
You understood that? Not in the case level. If the result is P, then we are printing the pass.
Pass.
Yeah. Okay. If the result is F. Okay, then we are printing the fail. Understood?
Yeah.
Right. And then else is no records found.
No records found.
Records found. Okay. And finally, you can end with this. What is the alias for this? Result status.
Result underscore status.
Correct. Right. From table name.
Student.
This is. Now, what is this error?
S name.
S name. You got it right. Now tell me, both are working same scenario, but why you want to do two things here? You understood, right? See what is the result it is giving? Same, right?
Yeah.
What is the result this is giving? Same.
Same only.
Both are same. Why you want two things? One is enough, right? Now tell me. I'm going to student. Now, based on marks, I need to give the designation now here. Result status, not the result. Here it is based on the marks.
Okay.
How to do this now? If more above 40, it is pass. Below 40, fail.
Okay.
How to give now?
There the decode function will be.
Decode function. How to do it now? Tell me. Yes, name, comma. Marks.
Marks, comma decode.
1 second. Student marks. Yeah. Student marks. Now tell me. Student marks, comma. Now, S name, student marks, both are we are printed. Okay. Now tell me, based on the marks, how to give the pass or fail. I am giving the condition. If it is above 50, pass. Below 50, fail. See, above 50 marks, then pass. Okay. Below 40, then fail.
Below 50?
Yeah, below 40.
Okay.
How to do it now?
Right.
Tell me.
Select S name.
Decode.
Student marks. Decode. Bracket.
Student marks. Value is
student.
Value is student marks only, right? Now, what is the condition here?
Greater than 50.
What greater than 50?
So above 50, then pass.
Correct. Now, like this, we need to write.
Yes.
Okay. And then pass.
Pass.
And then less than 40.
Less than 40.
Then fail.
Fail.
Okay.
Comma.
No records found. Else, right?
Yeah.
Can I execute now? What is this missing expression? So when we are going to using the expressions, it's not possible in decode. Now look, same thing in tell me in case. Instead of decode, tell me in the case.
Okay.
How to do it? Tell me. Same scenario. Tell me how to use case.
Case. Yeah.
Tell me case.
When.
When student marks.
Then.
What is greater than 50?
Greater than 50, then pass.
Pass. And then when student marks greater less than
40.
Right. Then party fail.
will fail.
So now you understood, right? What is the difference between decode and case?
Okay. Yeah.
Now else no records
No records
found.
found. Column alias will be result marks underscore status.
Result status. From which table?
Student.
Clear? Now it's coming, right?
Okay.
Why no records found? No records is found. It's coming. This is failed. It is coming. The condition is true or false. Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, got it right?
Yeah.
Like this it will work. Okay. Now create one table, student table. Put it all the marks. Okay. And you can count it from the now. What the next your okay, query to display. Query to display yes name. Okay. Yes name. Yes name comma marks comma. Okay, subject wise marks. All subject wise marks. Subject wise marks means 4-5 subjects.
Yeah.
Marks and total marks. Total marks and then average marks. Okay.
Okay.
Average marks and then based on if total marks, then if total 6 subjects are okay. Subject 1, subject 2, sub 1, subject 1 comma subject 2 comma subject 3, like this 3 so on, subject 6.
Okay.
Total 6 subjects. Now all total marks, total underscore marks. Okay, how it will come total marks? Tell me now. Hello?
Yeah.
How it will come total marks? Only I have S number is there, S name is there, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. After that I want to display the total marks. After that I want to display the grade. How it will be the grade? The grade should be the based on the total marks.
Okay.
The grade should be based on total marks. Okay. If total marks if it is say if it is marks greater than above greater than or equal to 470 or equal to see now see total marks greater than or equal to 475, it should be distinction. Okay, and then if it is less than or equal to 335, 360 and greater than or less 475, above 360, below
475.
Below 475. Then first class. Okay. Understood,
Okay.
right? You can do it this assignment,
Hmm.
greater than. Then first class. First. And then less than 300, okay, and greater than or equal to 360. Are you clear? Then second. Then again below 300 is fail. Okay, do it this requirement.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I will go the next step. Are you clear, right? Decode and case both.
Yeah.
Okay, now I will give the one requirement. Tell me, sir. If you are clear really, tell me this. Now, here it is salary is there. Okay, based on the salary, I will give the salary positions. If it is more than 10,000, okay, more than 20,000, they are in high salary. Below 20,000, then it is the medium salary. Below 10,000, it is the low salary.
Okay.
Now tell me, sir, what is the requirement means? If it is above 20,000, then high salary. Below 20,000, and above 10,000, then medium. Okay. If it is below 10, it's lower. Tell me, sir. Then lower.
Okay.
Tell me here. Using decode you can. Using decode is possible.
No.
Case.
Yeah.
Now tell.
Select
Uh,
sal.
Select ename comma sal. Uh, can you give me 1 second?
Okay.
Hello? No problem. We will call you later. 1 second. 1 second.
Okay.
Sorry. Fine. We will continue now. Tell me.
Okay.
Ename comma sal comma. Just ename or sal displayed.
Yeah.
Then
This case.
okay. Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
Case.
can you move this a bit? Can you move this a bit upward? This case syntax I want to see.
In the above you are able to see, right?
No.
In the above.
Just.
Huh?
No, No, I want to see this the case syntax. Can you just drop down above a bit?
Pardon? You want to see the case syntax?
Yeah. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
See now.
That's it. Okay.
Hey, one more syntax is there. Sorry, I thought this is one type of syntax. One more syntax is that is value. This is expression. This is whenever this value is giving here, right? You can put the value here. This thing here you can put it. Condition level. Value with condition. Understood, right?
Okay.
So now,
Okay.
now tell me, sir.
Case. Select ename shall case. Then value.
Pardon? Case. When? Right. Tell me when.
When SAN
Shall.
greater than 20,000.
Greater than or equal to na? Greater than 20,000.
Only above 20,000.
Correct. Then
20,000. Then high salary.
Okay.
High salary. Okay. Again, when shall
okay,
less than 20,000.
less than or equal to 20,000.
20,000. But greater than 10,000.
Greater than again.
And shall
greater than or equal to 10,000.
10,000. Greater than or equal to 10,000. Then medium salary.
Okay. Medium salary. Right.
When
or else? Else only, right? Directly.
No, we need to give lower salary also.
See, if you give these two things, everything is lower only, right?
But we have to define it as lower salary. No?
Else only you can define it, right? See,
Okay.
simple things are, if it is below 10,000 means, is it coming the below 10,000 in these two cases?
No.
So, remaining all the things, it's below 10,000 only, right?
Okay.
Right. Else? Tell me. Lower salary.
Else, lower salary. Okay. Understood. Okay.
Okay. Clear? You want to end this case?
Yeah. And the column alias will be result status.
Right. You can give it. And okay. Shall grade. Shall underscore grade.
Shall underscore grade.
Okay.
From EMP. Okay.
See now.
Yes.
So you understood, right, why it is required that decode and case. Okay. Now tell me. Okay, I have I am going to creating simple table. Create table. Table name equal to just some xx underscore there. Okay. This is going to direction code. Direction underscore code. This is where char2 of some size I am giving one size. Okay. My table has created. I am going to inserting the data. xx underscore dir. Now tell me, insert dir. What is the columns you need to insert? Suppose n. Okay, sorry. Values. Values. Right. One row is inserted. E. Two rows inserted. S. One row is inserted. W. One row is inserted. Total, how many rows are inserted? 4 rows
4.
are inserted. X underscore dir. How many is there? N, W, S, W is there. Now, if it is N is coming, I want to display north. If it is E, east. If it is S, south. If it is W, west. How to display now?
Okay.
Now tell me, you want to use the decode or you want to use the case? In this case.
No, we can use decode.
Right, tell me.
There is
Tell
no
me.
expression in this.
Tell me how to do this now.
Okay, direction code.
Column name is direction code.
Direction underscore code.
Tell me, sir.
Sir.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Can you show me this decode syntax once?
Okay, you want to see decode syntax? Right. See, this is decode syntax.
Okay.
Tell me. Tell me now.
Select decode.
Okay. Select. Select decode. Right. Tell me.
Start the direction underscore code. Direction underscore code.
Okay. 1 second. Direction underscore code. Direction underscore code.
Comma.
Okay. Comma.
N.
N.
In quotes. Yeah.
N is capital or small?
North.
Huh?
Capital N. Capital N.
Okay.
Comma. North.
North. Okay.
Comma.
Okay.
What are the other? E.
Okay. E.
East.
East.
Okay. Another one. W.
W. West.
West. S. South.
South. Then.
Else command is.
What is the alias? Put some alias.
Direction.
Just direction. That is the direction code. This is the direction.
Yeah.
From? Yep. From? What is this? XX underscore. Now. Right. Now see. Now understood, right?
Yeah.
Fine. What is the use of decode?
Yeah.
Right. So you are clear about decode and case both. Now if you are really understood decode, then I will ask some questions now. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Now tell me, based on decode, now tell me, what is the output will come in this case? First scenario, what is the output will come? Second scenario, what is the output will come? One C. Okay. Alright, tell me, sir. See why I am going to trusting on this more on this. This is the very important in SQL level, decode, case, whatever it is important. I am going to concentrating more time on that. Now tell me.
So in the first scenario,
What is the
will be
output?
3.
Okay.
The output will be 3.
Okay. Next
And
scenario.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6.
Hey, I'm not asking to read complete thing. What is the output will come? First one 3, that is fine. Second one, what is? What is the value? What is the value?
Value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Hey, value is 1 now.
Sorry, value is 1 only.
Condition 2.
Mm.
Now 1
Then,
is going to matching with the condition 2. How did you say this is 3? First one.
value is 1. Then if where the value is 1 and if condition is 1, then output will be 3.
Same scenario. Tell me the second scenario also.
When the value is 1 and the if condition is 2, then the output is 3.
Output, is it matching or not?
No, it's not matching.
Matching, how it will come 3 output? If it is not matching, how it will come the 3 output?
It will not, it will be no records.
Now tell me why not records. So reminding everything, explain me one by one. What is the value? What is the if condition 1? What is the result? What is the if condition 2? What is the result? What is the else? Tell me the complete scenario, how it is going to. Tell me now.
Okay. The first one I had already told you.
Correct.
When the value is
correct. That is correct. Second thing, tell me.
Second thing is when the value is 1, if condition is 2.
Okay, is it matching?
Value is 1. If the value is 1, the condition is 2.
Now this condition is matched. No, right? Value is not matched with the condition, so 3 will not come.
Yes.
Now value is 1, condition 2 is 4. Okay, the result is 4. It will not matching. The record will not come. So finally else will come.
6. Yeah.
Understood? If you are understood, you can able to tell in second scenario. Okay? Here we don't have some other scenarios. Okay, I will write it some scenario. Right. Select decode of, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from dual. Tell me, sir, what is the output will come?
7.
Huh? How did you say 7?
But the value is 1 and the condition is 2.
So 3 will not come.
3 will not come. The value is 1, condition is 4, 5 will not come. The value is 1, condition is 6, 7, else 7.
Hey, wait, tell me.
7 will not come. 7 will not come.
Nothing will come.
Nothing will come.
Correct, right? So based on this, what you understood, if the decode parameters are, what? Odd.
Not matching, nothing.
If it is decode parameters are odd, and then if it is not matching, nothing will come. Okay, clear? Now can you explain me these things? If the number of parameters are odd and then different, then decode will display nothing. Means what? What you did, same thing only now. Next one, can you read it?
The number of parameters are even and different, then decode will display last value.
Means what? else.
The value else, yeah.
Understood?
Hmm.
Next.
If all the parameters are null, then decode will display nothing.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
If it all nulls are passing, then it will not display nothing, right? If all are zeros,
It will display 0.
correct. So I hope now you understood about decode, right?
Yeah.
Right. What is the greatest means it is giving the greatest value it will give. What is the greatest of ABC? Yeah, in the last session I told this ASCII values and char CHR function. Based on that, what is the A value? 97, B value 98, C value 99. Now tell me what is the greatest of A comma B comma C? Sir, normally ABC is there. What is the greatest letter? Hello? Hello?
So we have to define which one is greatest only.
What you want to define?
A, B, C.
What is the greatest of? Suppose what is the highest value of 4, 5, 6? 4, 5, 6.
6 is the
What is
highest.
highest value?
6.
Now, suppose A is 97, B is 98, C is 99. What is the greatest letter?
C is the greatest.
C is the greatest letter. Now greatest of Saket and Srinu and Satish. Now tell me these three letters, three names, which is the highest, greatest letter, greatest name. First check with all letters are same, first letter, right?
Okay.
The second letter is A, okay, and the second letter is A. The middle one is R. Means compared to A, R is the highest, right?
Yeah.
So this is the Srinu is coming. Now what is the output will come? C comma Srinu. Understood now?
Okay.
Now try to understand. Okay, that's enough. If you are practicing, practicing itself, it will come. Now tell me, greatest of this. Greatest of, understood, C and Srinu. Now, if it is any one of the parameter is null,
result will be null.
complete thing is going to null. Okay. See now, complete null, right? If all parameters are null, null only.
Null.
Understood, right? Least. Now tell me, sir, at least least. A comma B comma C. Now tell me. First one, what it is coming? A, B, C.
S letters are S. All first letters. All first letters S.
All first letters. No. First case. A, B, C.
Select least A, B, C, least Satish, Srinu, Saket.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, think it and tell me, sir, first.
Yeah. One second. A, B, C.
Where you are stucking now, tell me. Already above I told you greatest. Simple thing you can tell me the least.
Srinu is the least. B comma Srinu.
Srinu is the least.
Yeah.
How did you say Srinu is the least? First of all, tell me this list of ABC. What is the list value? Now can you read this one?
This will give the least string.
Now tell me this based on this. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Tell me now.
Select list A, B, C.
What it
List.
is coming? What is the output it is coming?
Select list A, B, C. List Satish, Srini, Satish.
Sir, that is one statement. This is one statement. Okay, don't compare both the strings. This is one statement. Okay, what the output it is coming in this first?
A.
A, fine. That is fine. A is the least. What it is coming in the next? Now compare it, sir. Yes, yes. All letters are same first letters. Next one,
Srinu.
pardon?
Srinu. Srinu.
How did you say that one? Is it a list?
Satish and Saket is a list.
How it will come? Two letters are the list. Only one will come, right? The first day, what I told, it will take the input as a strings and it will return the input as a string output. Only single output will come. How it will come to? Well, you are going to see. Let me wait. How did you explain first? Yes. The second string also yes. Okay. Third string also yes. Okay. Now three strings are matched. The second one A. Yes. Yes. A. Then R. Compare with A. R is the highest value. This is gone now. This is not. Okay. Again A. Both two letters are A. Again T is there. Now T is there. Going to here it is K is there. Compare to T and K, what is the lowest value?
K.
Compare to T and K. Compare to T and K, which is the highest value, which is the lowest value? K are bigger or T are bigger?
T is bigger, K is lower.
What is the now lowest value?
Saket.
So now you understood, right?
Yeah.
Are you clear?
Yeah.
Right. Now see this. Okay. Coalesce means it will return the first non-null value. What is the output? A comma A.
Yeah.
Right. So the string functions are over, sir. So you need to finish. Just I'm going to recording stopping.
Hello.